Hey guys, Nicolai Abano here from Build with Nick. I'm so excited to show you my first investment property here in Camilo. A bit information with this block. It is a 500 square meters block. It is a duplex house, which means there's a house connected in this house. It is an 85 square meters house area. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and toilet, and 1 carport, which is this one. At the same time, it was built in 1978, so it is an old house, but like I said, this is an investment property. What we're looking for is a good potential growth, a rental and a good rental yield, and of course a low vacancy rate within the suburb. So yeah, let's go along with this house. So we have a good size of front yard, which is this one, and we have the carport and few trees around the area. But with this house, we're gonna renovate this. So this is the before we renovate the house, and we're gonna do an after renovation video of this house. So it will be like 3 to 4 weeks time after we renovate this one. All right, so let's go inside. Like I said, it is 85 square meters house area, so the house is quite small. It's not that big, but what we're after is good rental yield and good potential growth along the next couple of years. So we have the entrance here, and we have the porch here. Alright, so this is the entrance of the house. We have the living room. So the living room, I believe it is 3.5 by 3.5 or 3.5 by 5, including this area. Like I said, it's an old house. It was built 1978, so assuming 3 decades ago. But yeah, well, that's one of the reasons why you buy a below market value. A bit of a background when I purchased this house. So basically, I took my equity in my first house and then used that equity to purchase the second house, which is this one. This one was in the market for around more than 200,000, but I managed to get a buyer's agent to help me with the buying process, and that's a wonderful thing about having a buyer's agent, because along the way they will provide you the expertise that you need on how to get below market value property. So I managed to buy this one just under 192,000. So I saved quite a lot in terms of this, the purchase amount of this property. Moving forward, yeah, we have the living area. We're gonna renovate this one, and we have the master bedroom. Unfortunately, the light is not working anymore. I believe the bulb might be busted, but we have like a window and Venetian blinds, and I'm assuming this one is 3.5 by 3.5, and we have some ports for the TV connection, and of course few outlets around the corner. Okay, that is the master bedroom, and we have the bedroom number 2, which is 3 by 3. I'm assuming 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this might be a 3 by 3. Unfortunately, when I purchased this house, I didn't have a floor plan. Like I said, this one is an old house, so maybe along the way I might hire a draftsman to lay out the measurement of the house. Well, let's go to the kitchen and dining area. So, living area and the bedrooms, they are carpeted, but we're gonna change this one because this one is so dirty and it's quite old already. Alright, so there's a separation between the living area and the dining and kitchen with this wall and with this door. So a bit of privacy, I will say. Okay, so let's go to the dining area and kitchen. With the dining area, this might be 3 meters by 4, and we have an old kitchen. Okay, so we're gonna remove all of them. We're gonna scrap everything here, and we're gonna install a new kitchen. And that is part of our renovation plan. I'm gonna lay out in the description below what will be the process of the renovation. But I do believe we're gonna paint the walls with the new painting. We're gonna change the flooring, the tiles, and of course fix all of the small things. But the most important thing, we're gonna renovate the whole kitchen. We're gonna remove all of this. Same thing with the bathtub, with the bathroom. So new bench top, new cupboards, new range hood, microwave oven, and gas stove. So exciting times ahead, and I can't wait for my renovator to finish the renovation and to see the aftermath once they finish, the renovation. Okay, so we have another bedroom. So this is bedroom number 3, a bit more, I would say about the same size as bedroom number 2. It is 3 by 3. And yeah, we have window that you can see through the alfresco or the garage area. Alright, so that's it for bedroom number 3. Like I said, we're gonna paint this one with a new painting and new carpet. Okay. Whew. We're nearly done with the video. So we have the laundry area. So we're gonna remove this one, install new sink. We're gonna hire a plumber to organize all of these. And I believe we're gonna repaint the door or change the door. Not quite sure. I need to revisit my renovation plan. And yeah, we have the bathtub over here, our bathroom. So we have a single shower, we have a sink with some mirror, and we have an old toilet. With this one, we're gonna renovate this one as well. We're gonna remove everything and create a new bathroom area, similar with kitchen. I think that's the main key points of renovation with this house. We're gonna change the kitchen, total revamp, at the same time with the toilet and bath. So yeah. Alright, so before we go ahead, this is a new project for me, renovating or flipping houses. The main goal why I purchased this one is hopefully along the way we can create a passive income where the rent is a good amount of rent. It can pay off the mortgage and get a bit of passive income. Alright, so before we go outside, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button, comment if you have any questions on how to buy a second property, how to buy investment property, and other questions. I'm more than happy to answer those questions. So with this, since this one is a 500 square meters land area and the house is only 85 square meters floor area, which means we have a huge backyard or space at the back, and we have few more space on the right hand side. I would call this one a jungle at the moment because there's a lot of trees and it is quite messy. Alright, so let's go outside. Alright, so yeah, this is your alfresco. Alright, so we have, I would say, 60 meters long and 3 meters wide with the alfresco. So we're gonna remove everything. We're gonna clean up all of these trees, all of these leaves, everything. We're gonna change this one. So huge project ahead with this renovation. And yeah, we're gonna cut all of the trees. As you can see, there's a lot of trees. We're gonna remove all of that. We're gonna clean this area, and yeah, remove all of this dirt. And we have like places to hang your clothes, and we have a small shed with this. Yeah, this is my like a small shed. Might need to change this one, make it nice. It can be your storeroom, by the way. Exciting times ahead. Like I said, we have a few more space on the right hand side or left hand side of the house. And yeah, we're gonna remove all of these, scrap it, make it nice, make it clean, and make it rentable. That is the main goal, right? So when you buy an investment property, main goal, you need to buy it below market value. It needs to have a good rental yield, which means the suburb needs to have a low vacancy rate. And thirdly is it needs to have a potential growth. So once we do the renovation, we're gonna evaluate this house again, and we're hoping that once we do the renovation, it will get a good or higher valuation. And from then on, hopefully we can buy the third property. All right. So with the carport, you can fit 2 more cars, one over here, one over here. We have trees all over the area. I'm assuming that this is the garden of the previous owner. Yeah, we're gonna remove all of this. With the fencing, unfortunately there are asbestos at the moment. On the other side, they are color banned already, so we're gonna change this one as well in the near future. But that's pretty much it. That is, this is our carport. I believe we're gonna change this one. I need to double check with my renovator. But yeah, we have a few more gardens. We're gonna make it nice and clean to make it rentable. Alright guys, thank you for watching our first episode of how to buy an investment property, and hopefully we can do this one for the next 5 to 10 years. But if you want me to create any videos related on how to buy investment property, what are the tips on how to buy investment property, and what are the suburbs that you might need to consider, because when you're buying investment property, location is very important. So when you buy investment property, make sure to get a location where there is a low vacancy rate. Alright, I hope you guys like my video. This is my first time doing a video where I do like 1 or 2 shot straight forward from the start up until the end. I'm still learning in terms of buying investment property and the ins and out, but hopefully you learned something. And yeah, I'm happy to share with you guys. The next video will be the aftermath of this renovation, and I'm hoping that it will turn out good and get a good rental yield once we've done the renovation. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't liked my video, feel free to like my videos. At the same time, feel free to share my videos on how to buy a house or the other key handover series in our YouTube video. Apart from that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!